So the bathroom's directly opposite this bedroom, so really we've got to have matching handles, which is just as well because we bought all this like about 4 years ago, bought all the doors, bought all the hardware, everything we need. So the bathroom latch is wider and it's also longer because it's got the privacy lock. This is only a 35mm door, so it kind of does present a few problems, but let's go and sort that out. So the first problem I've got is this latch is quite wide, and with this plate on, when you put the screws in, they actually hit the latch. So I've got to grind down 12 of the little screws. So the easiest way to do that is just to wind them all into a bit of wood, try and set them the same height, and even then you can see some of these, like that one there, it's actually longer than that one there, so they're not from the factory, not all exactly the same length. But anyway, I should be able to hold them all together and grind them down all the same height. There we go, a bit more than 11 more to go. That's all ground down. It's easier to hold like this, and obviously they get hot as well when you're grinding it and you don't get none of that, so that worked all right. Let's see if they fit. But now this thing, same again, so they're the screws for the other side, but that's for, two of them need grinding down. One of them's all right because it misses the latch. Yeah, same again. Right, now this is the motivation for this video. I don't know if you can already see the problem. Yeah, it's a little bit snug, that. The problem I've got is she wants these door handles because they match the rest of the house. So the only thing I can think to do is I'm going to have this off, set that down, put that on top of it, overlap it, and then mark that, and then just grind that little bit out, because hopefully it's only about 5mm and I can do a half decent job of it. You'll never see it. That's the theory. So yeah, let's see if we can make that look something and not like a dog's breakfast. So here's the plan. That pops over there. Stick that in there like that. And then when, I can't do this with one hand, but you'll have to trust me. When that's over there, I've marked that. Sun's gone in, happy days. Now, my plan is to grind that out, and hopefully that will then sit in there like this. Sit in there like this. But we'll see. Right, I'm going to grind that out. I won't be able to show you that. Right, so this is the moment of truth. I probably ground out a little bit too much in the centre there, but you're never going to see it, luckily, just as well. If I can get this on, there we go. That seems to be going all right. No, that's not too bad actually. Yeah, the only other option was to have a lever, and she really didn't want that, so right, okay, I'll do the other side now we know it works. There's the other side. Simple, I know, but it saved me a few quid. And we keep the handles all the same, so we'll be happy. Hopefully this one's helped you out. I'll look at my other stuff. I'll see you on the next one.